is x over y greater than 1? We have a division of variables. The first thing we need to keep in mind is that they must have the same sign, right? But this is the question. We don't know if they have the same sign. That will be the first requisite for them to be true. Okay, because we cannot just say, oh, this means that x is greater than y. No, that doesn't mean anything, because for that to be true, y would have to be positive, so that when it came to the right, it wouldn't change the inequality sign. Okay, but we don't know that yet. That is the question. Let's go with statement 1. Statement 1 says that x times y is greater than 1. Okay, now we have no information about x and y. We don't know if it's positive. We don't know if it's negative. We don't know if it's an integer. We don't know if it's a fraction, decimal. So since we don't know anything, and there is no rule that says that if the product is greater than 1, the division must be greater than 1, then I could try some values to see if there are two options. Okay, let's see. For example, let's go with 2 and 3. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is greater than 1. And in this order, if x is 2 and y is 3, 2 over 3 is greater than 1. The answer is no. But I see that it doesn't matter if I change the order. 3 times 2 is greater than 1. It makes the statement true. But if I replace it in that order in the question, it answers yes. So we have two values that make the statement true and answer yes and no to the question. So statement 1 is definitely not sufficient. Okay, let's go with statement 2. Statement 2 says that x is greater than 1 minus y. If we take y to the left, it would say that x plus y is greater than 1. Now, since I have values in the first statement, I want to try to reuse them. If I try to use 2 and 3 at the same time, or 3 and 2, in whichever order, they also make the statement true, right? 2 plus 3 is greater than 1, 3 plus 2 is greater than 1, and I know that if I replace them in different order in the question, they answer no and yes respectively. So both statements with the same values, they answer yes and no. Together, they will also answer yes and no. Not sufficient. Therefore, the answer is E.